Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
What's up, my kingdom? It's your boy Kings 23 Kicks, back in the castle, and we're back to drop another video for y'all, man. Hey, but before I get started on this video, man, y'all gotta understand, this is what I need y'all to do. When you come up in the kingdom, I need y'all to smash that like button. Get that thumbs up for your boy. I greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you might have just came across my video by, happenstance. Might have popped up on you. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Go check out all my other videos. Comment, like those videos so we can chop it up in the comments on those, man. Your boy gonna get it. But keep in mind, for those that are subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed, I am doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. That was one of my goals for the end of the year. We still have time to make it. I'm going to give away 50 bucks. That's right, 50 bucks to the winner. Man, go check out the video about my 500 subscriber giveaway. Make sure that you follow those instructions. Real simple, real easy. But just in case you don't check out the video, man, just sub up, hit the thumbs up. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified of all the videos that I'll be dropping. And then go over to my IG page, which is the same thing as my YouTube, and go ahead and go find that post about the 500 subscriber giveaway and share that post, man. That's all you gotta do. Real simple instructions, doesn't cost you anything, free 50 bucks. All right. Anyway, let's get it in. Today, I had to go get these Yeezy things, man. I'm about to go grab these things right now. I got my reservation. Let's go grab these shoes, man. Let's go grab these shoes. And of course, I got to show y'all what I'm rocking on feet today. Yeah. So your boy's back in the castle, about to make it happen. Let me go ahead and get these things about the box, you know what I'm saying? There you see it. That Boost 350 Boost V2s. Y'all already seen the thumbnail. Y'all know what it is. I think it's the Yecheil. I did pass up on the Yeezy reels, just for the simple fact that that's just my preference, man. They look a lot like the semi-frozen. They look like the glows. And I'm like, there's so much Volt color that I can stand. With those, having both of those and having the human race and the Volt color is like, how much more Volt can I get? But at the same time, you can say the same thing about Jay, because it's like, how much red and black can you rock? But that's neither here nor there. But we're gonna get these things up out of here, man. Kanye and these things, man. Yeah. Crazy part about it is, I did try to get the reflective. Took an L on that yesterday, and he kept trying to give me the salt. I didn't want the salt. That's not what I was looking for. I was actually trying to get the reflective. Now, out of all the Yeezys that I do have, none of them are reflective, and I want to get a reflective pair to say, I've actually hit on one of those. But y'all know how it is. Going with that Yeezy. Yecheil. In fact, I gotta get my thumbnail in. But yeah, here's the Yecheil. I'm really liking how, now don't get me wrong, Adidas brand, Yeezy, Kanye, like, bruh, you're killing us on the 350 with the colorways. The reason why I like this colorway is because it was something different versus the plain colors that he puts out, or a different shade of the same color that he puts out. This was something that was, in my opinion, I say eclectic, which is kind of out of the box for Yeezy. He really doesn't do too much of these, you know what I'm saying? I've seen some Yeezys, don't get me wrong, that I've liked. 350 V2s are my favorite. I just like the 350s, period. But the 352s are my favorite. I do like the Wave Runner. But I like these, man. And I actually seen a pair. I think somebody had some custom, some Supreme ones. Those red and white ones. Those are clean. I need to find, if anybody knows who can do custom Yeezys, let me know, because I want to take my all whites and then I want to have them Supreme like made. So if anybody knows, y'all comment down below. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? Their information or whatever the case may be. But put that off in the comment section. But I like these. You know what I'm saying? You have your your V2s. I like the fact that you have that red and that baby blue off in there. If you guys can see that. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know you had your see-through window. You know what I'm saying? Off in there. And I'm not sure if these are 3M. Usually the shoestrings are kind of 3M. So yeah, as you guys can see, though, these guys are 3M. Shoestrings are. But like I said, and it's crazy because it's such a different and eclectic, different colorway for Yeezy. You know what I'm saying? You have like this little light beige brown right up in here with the pattern being different. Then it kind of fades over here into the yellow. And then it kind of fades back off into that beige peach color off in there. And there's different designs on this shoe. You know what I'm saying? That's what just, for me, just sets it off. And that's what kind of sold it for me. Then you have the yellow in the toe box, where that red and that black brings it in along with that peach. With the same thing with the shoestring. Now, I don't know. Yeah, there's no different shoestrings, which would have been kind of nice if there were some different shoestrings for these bad boys. You know what I'm saying? Maybe like a baby blue, maybe something like that little, that blood red that's off in there. So it just kind of set it off, or maybe even a yellow. You know what I'm saying? So I just feel like it should have been another pair of shoestrings off in there. I mean, you know, if you're going to go different and a little wild outside the box, Adidas brand, why not do it that way? I mean, let's just give us options. You know what I'm saying? So, of course, you know, you have your adidas Yeezy off in the floorboard. You know, standard paper. These are clean, man. And then when you're looking in the inside, the same peach pink type colorway that's on the outside is off in the inside. So the floorboard and that back tab right here is the same. It's the same type of color. So of course, you know, at the bottom you got your boost as usual. You know what I'm saying? So I know a lot of people are looking at the 350 and be like, hey bro, it's enough. I don't want them. I pass on those. I actually looked at the Yeezy reels earlier when I picked these up. And honestly, my energy kind of changed on them. I was looking at them and I was kind of like, yeah, I might try to go back and boomerang them bad boys. You know what I'm saying? See if I can grab those things. I have to check on GOAT and see if they're below retail or right at retail or whatever. But I think I might just want to grab those Yeezy reels. I'm not quite sure. Still debating on that. But if y'all rock with the Yeezy reels, or you have them, or did you pass on them, y'all comment down below. Let me know how y'all feel about them. The only thing that I don't like about this shoe is that there's no pull tab. I've actually kind of gotten used to the pull tab that's on most of the 350 V2s. I just like the pull tab, and I don't know, it's just the easier way for me to grab and put them on, rock them on, put them on when I rock them. But here y'all guys have it. I don't want to hold you guys, you know what I'm saying? I was hoping that I was able to grab the reflectives. I took an L on the reflectives yesterday on Adidas, so I wasn't able to grab that. So y'all comment down below. That's your 350 V2 Yecheil. I have no idea what that means. I think the names that he's came up with these shoes at the end of this year for these, with Yecheil and Yeezy has something to do with the Bible. I have no idea. You know what? Hold on. Okay, so looking at it, the meaning, Yecheil means may God live in Hebrew. So that just puts a whole deeper meaning in the shoe for me. So yeah, I'm definitely rocking with these bad boys, and I can't wait to rock these bad boys to somewhere. I have no idea. If I find me a Oilers jersey or something, I don't know. Yeezy. We're gonna find something for it. So there it is. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what you feel about it. Let me know if you're rocking with the Yeezys. Let me know if it's a pass. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I had to rack these bad boys. I just like the color. It was just something different. And I did say that I was going to be done with them. But you know what? It is what it is. I got it. And I'm feeling it. I like it. And now that I know what Yecheil means, it just makes it that much more meaningful for me. My opinion. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what you feel. Hey, to all my kings, stand up. And all my queens, make sure that you stand beside your king. And always, always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.
You ain't stressing me. Coming from the bottom, moving straight to the top. Coming with the product for the #1 spot. Pushing my vibe like a push I on the block. Holding my ground so rappers get lost.